Hi, this is Dwight with Apogee Invent. I'm recording this video for Paul Cross with IR1 Corporation. I wanted to show off the TitanTeambuilder software and in particular the different features that Paul was asking about. So first of all, Paul mentioned that he wanted to see what the personalized websites that everybody will get look like. Here's an example of one that I made for myself. It's got a business card right here in the middle, uh, an avatar image in the top left, contact form. The main idea with these pages is that you're going to want to get contacts through them. So making them customized and increasing the search engine optimization by giving them the ability to insert their own content, fresh content all the time is the best way to increase search engine optimization. So as they get link-ins and as they improve their content, they're going to get more traffic to these sites. And yes, they are customizable. Here's another example. Here's this one with an example person, Alice Irwin. Got a business card, image up here in the top left. About me, interests are very common to all of them. And then the blog, the latest blog entry down there. And here's another one that was created by a marketer that's using our system. His name's Lavaris Hopkins, and you can see that he added some banner ads to his page. So that's how he had customized it. All right, next up, we want to see the lead generation process. Here we have Primus Marketing, one of the TitanTeambuilder branded sites. And on Primus Marketing, you have the ability to copy the link for the business opportunity landing page. So let's say that you purchased a ad campaign, or you had a big list of people that you had opted in to an email list, and you wanted to send them to a landing page. All right, so this is the sales funnel. You're going to send a bunch of traffic, whether buying an ad or loading a lead list or moving out through your social networks. You can push people to a landing page. However you do that, that's the big end of the sales funnel. So you're pushing them to a landing page. What does the landing page look like? Well, in this example, it looks like this. We've got a video on here, the contact form up here, and the join today down here. If they do end up scrolling down to the bottom, the primary selling points right here in 3 easy-to-use sections. We did design this site, so you can expect this level of design quality from us. A lot of textures, modern gradients, shadows, and things like that. All right, so somebody fills out this form. Let's say you sent 10,000 people here, and 500 of them filled out the form. Well, where are they going to end up? They will end up right here in your contact manager. So everybody has a replicated version of that page. You can see here, mine is dwight.primusteam.com in that example. And they end up in my contact manager. So all people are going to, all the marketers will get their own contacts from their systems. Here's another example of it. Over here in Roadmap Online, we have a business opportunity landing page. People send traffic to that page. Here's a video on it. A nice simple form. We also designed this page. Very nice textures and background here, rounded corners, and a modern tall font. People fill out this form, and what happens? Well, they're going to end up on the drip email campaign. So they will receive an email on day 0, on day 1, on day 3, on day 5, 7, 9, etc. And you can see how many people are on that step. So right now, 8,000 people have received day 7, but nobody has received day 9 quite yet. And that might be a new one that was just inserted into there. So you can see the percentage clicks, etc. This is mostly just test data in this example. But you get the idea. After they fill out the form, they're going to receive the drip email campaign, and that's going to nurture the contact and make the sale for you. And what happens is they get inserted into the contact manager, and the temperature setting over here on the left side is going to tell the marketer a lot of information in just one color. Basically, it tells them how many times somebody has opened their email, how many times somebody's clicked on a link in their email, how many times they've come back to their page and watched a video and filled out a form. These are important pieces of information, and they are all included here within the system in detail. So if I look at one particular contact, I'm going to see those pieces of information, but they are also reflected in the temperature. So that's all summarized in the temperature, and the temperature rises as somebody takes more interest. So you as a marketer could log in, you could be nurturing 10,000 people that have gone through, filled out your landing page, and they could be receiving the drip emails. And you're going to know the 10 most interested people just based on their activity. The ones that have opened the emails, the ones that have clicked on links in the emails, etc. Those are going to be defined as the hottest contacts. So you could pick up the phone and give them a call and close those sales. But if you wanted to, you could go in here and see in detail, okay, this person viewed this email after it was sent, and it even tells you the specific date and time that they opened the email. So we're tracking all of that information. Okay, next up, we want to look at the Genealogy Viewer. Here's an example of a genealogy that we have for an MLM site. We're going to be including that in this platform. The proposal has that system in it. If I wanted to maximize this, I could show a bigger version. Wait a moment as that builds. So you can see this is a fairly large organization. And the nice thing about our genealogy viewer is that it is mathematically ideal for presenting large organizations in the least amount of space. So it's all spaced out nicely no matter how your organization is structured, whether it be binary, unilevel, matrix, etc. So you can see we have custom icons on there in this case. And if you roll over a specific person, you can get a little more information about them in a quick summary. In this case, we're showing all of their commissioning information and upline information. Some of that information may not be available in the marketing system as we include the genealogy viewer. My understanding is that we're including the genealogy viewer in a manually administration controlled way. So here's another example of it. We can maximize this one as well. You can see different icons in this organization. The different icons indicate the different ranks in this case. And you can see their names and other information. So that's the genealogy viewer in a nutshell. Really nice one. We've put thousands of hours into programming on that, and it's working for many MLM organizations. Let's see. Next up, we wanted to take a look at a training center. Well, actually, no, let me take one step back. Another item that Paul requested was to look at how two different types of customers might come in through the site. In this case, we did not do the design on Money Logic, but we do host this MLM, and they have two different types, individual and business, and you can see how it's broken up here, individual and business. So if I wanted to go down the business track, I can do that. It takes me over here to this page. I can find out some more information, products, benefits, testimonials, etc. So just to show you a little bit about how all of that works, we even have video hosting in here where we're hosting the video that talks all about how the Money Logic program works from a business side. And then there's also the same type of information over there on the individual side. So we were talking about merchants and business builders in your case, and I think that we could handle that with the corporate design package. Basically, on the front end, we would divide people up based on their need and give them the two different tracks to go down. Here are the two different solutions for you. Please choose your own adventure, that kind of thing. Finally, I want to show you the education system. We call it Success Education. You can see it over here. If I click on play, I can play one of these videos. This is a really simple process. We put the different training courses in order. I don't know if it's going to play. Let me refresh this page one moment. What we do here is we have a whole set of categories. So you can have sales tips, motivational videos, whatever you want, phone scripts, anything of that nature. And you can put these in order. So you can have different lessons, maybe 5 in one series, maybe 20 in another. And you can come up with a title for them. You can even come up with the title for the whole category, and it'll be put right there on the button. Don't need to involve the development team for that. That's all built here into the administration features. You can see when people complete the different lessons, all they have to do is click a button at the bottom and they check off the lesson, go through them one at a time. The lessons can be a la carte in a series, so you could jump around in a series, or you can have them have prerequisites so that one lesson has to come before the next, etc. You can see people's lesson scores based on their total of lessons viewed. And so that is our training system in a nutshell. And I'll complete this video. Thank you for watching, and we're really looking forward to building this Titan Team Builder for you.